The eye is designed to focus light onto specialized nerve endings that translate the light waves and photons into pictures our brains can understand. Here are some basic descriptions of the key parts of the anatomy of the eye. The superior rectus muscle is a muscle in the orbit. It is one of the extraocular muscles. The sclera is the white outer wall of the eye. It is a tough, fibrous tissue that extends from the cornea to the optic nerve at the back of the eye. The choroid, also referred to as the choroidea or even choroid coat, is the vascular layer of the eye. The retina is the light-sensitive layer of tissue in the back of the inner eye. It works like the film in a camera. In the middle of the retina is a tiny dimple known as the fovea or fovea centralis. It is the center of the eye's sharpest vision and the location of most color perception. Central retinal artery refers to a blood vessel inside the eye. It gives crucial nutrition to the retina. The optic nerve, also referred to as cranial nerve 2, transmits visual data from the retina to the brain. The central retinal vein is a short vein that runs via the optic zero and drains blood from the capillaries of the retina into the large veins outside the eye. The optic disc is also known as the blind spot. This is where all of the axons of the ganglion cells exit the retina to form the optic nerve. The inferior rectus muscle is located in the orbit. It is one of 6 muscles that control the movements of the eye. The orbis areata is the junction between the retina as well as the ciliary body. It is the area where the retina transitions from a non-photosensitive area to a multi-layered photosensitive region. The ciliary body is the structure in the eye that produces a transparent liquid within the eye. The ciliary body also made up of the ciliary muscle. The posterior chamber is a narrow space behind the peripheral part of the iris, and in front of the suspensory ligament of the lens and the ciliary processes. Anterior chamber is the front section of the eye's interior, where aqueous humor flows, in and out giving nourishment to the eye and surrounding tissues. The cornea is the transparent front part of the eye that covers the iris, pupil, and anterior chamber. The iris is a thin, circular structure in the eye, responsible for controlling the diameter and size of the pupil. The zonule of Zinn is split into 2 layers, a thin layer, which lines the hyaloid fossa, and a thicker layer, which is a collection of zonular fibers.